Your elbow starts clicking and you ignore it.
You tell yourself it'll heal in a day or two. That's how small pain turns into a 6-month injury. This is your tendon.
It connects muscle to bone. In a healthy tendon, fibers are perfectly aligned.
When overloaded, they fall apart.
Tendons act like springs.
And damage starts beating repair.
After about 10 minutes of loading, your tendons stop adapting. You're just stacking damage.
Elbow, shoulder, knee, Achilles, tendinitis is inflammation.
Tendinopathy means you ignored it. Inflammation is part of healing.
But you keep re-injuring it. Full remodeling takes weeks to months.
Not 36 hours. So what actually works?
Eccentric training. Controlled lowering builds strength safely.
It helps fibers realign properly. Light movement and gradual loading.
What doesn't help? Ignoring pain.
Skipping progressions.
Motivation doesn't heal tissue. But smart training does. If you find my video valuable, then subscribe. Thanks for watching.